Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe below. This week I just got back to Lubbock and I'm getting back into the swing of things. We have cheer practices 2 days a week right now. So we're about to go to the first practice this week and pretty much I need to get ready for classes because the classes start next week. And I'm just getting back into the groove of things back in Lubbock. So I hope you like this one. Make sure to leave a comment below if you like it. And now I'm about to head to practice. Today is winning day, so we are wearing blue. And this is the only color blue I have, or really any shirt I have is blue. But I'm about to head to practice. I'm finishing out my coffee right now. Just got out of practice and now we are about to go figure out some lunch. So I'm probably gonna make like a salad or something. Haven't fully decided, but it's like 11:15. It's our second practice of the day at 2 that we have to be back for. So that's what we're currently doing. So we're fueling up and getting ready to go ruin our bodies more.
Off to practice number 2 of the day now. It's 1:30. We have practice at 2.
Just got done with our second practice of the day and Coco got something. Did you get something? What'd you get? What'd you get, Coco? What is it, Coco? Oh, she's sitting pretty. She's just waiting this whole time.
Spa day.
Ooh, got a little cactus. Cat's like me. Is that your new toy? Oh, there's more. Just like, thank you. Oh. Oh, shit.
Gentle. Gentle.
Good girl. Aww. I am exhausted. 2 days. Oh my god, I can't even speak right now. We had 2 practices today. It wasn't too long. Each one, it's just a lot of impact on your body from going from winter break straight back in every day 2 times a week. So it's like crazy amount and I'm really sore, but other than that it's going really good. Yeah, so classes start in a week from today. By the way, it's Wednesday, so next Wednesday. And one of my classes have literally already opened up and is like, okay, make sure to read this, this, and this and have a discussion ready by Wednesday and make sure you have all this stuff done, assignments about to be due. I'm like, you weren't even supposed to open this up for a whole nother week, but it's whatever. It's fine. So I'm currently kind of like getting my life together right now. I did a daily to-do list and I'll go further later on vlogs on like how I stay organized because I think it'll also help me stay organized and more organized than last semesters and previous semesters. So I did daily to-do stuff, like things I need to do like every single day and it's not even like important things, but it's important to me and it should be important to you. But one thing is, like, for an example, is drink at least 4 glasses of water. I have a hard time drinking water for some reason, so I made a thing where for at least a whole month I have like little check marks for each day, and it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way through the week, and it has like 4 little circles that I can circle in every time I drink a glass of water, and it'll keep me accountable and I can see how well this actually holds me accountable or if I still just don't drink water enough. So we'll see how that goes, but there's a few other things I put on there. But one thing I'm actually working on right now is my vlogging schedule because I am not consistent with vlogging, and that was one thing I wanted to do this new year is I'm going to be uploading 2 times a week now. So when you see this video, this will be the second one that'll be back on track. on track for 2 times a week. It'll be the second one on track. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of doing right now, and I'm doing a whole month worth. And I haven't figured out what I'm gonna vlog yet, but I'm at least planning when I have to video and all this stuff. Yeah, so I'm doing that, and then probably not today, but tomorrow I am going to be kind of, at least the one class that opened, the random class that opened, I'm gonna be like printing off all that stuff and putting in my planner and all of the stuff so I can. It's self-bio. I'm pretty stressed, but it's fine. I'm gonna do great. So that's what I'm currently doing. Last 2-day practice of the week. Tomorrow we have only one practice in that day. So this is the last 2 day of the week, but we have choreo of course next week. But right now it's Throwback Thursday. So of course I'm repping out my Valley team, and yeah, I'm about to head out and have practice. Currently it's 8:30 a.m. and yeah.
I'm starting farming some potatoes.
I'm tired. So tired. But oh, but why are you staring at me like that? Well, it is Thursday night. I'm just finishing up with dinner and stuff, and I felt actually so productive today. I planned out the first 2 weeks of my one class, which is the really hard class that opened up early, I guess. But I did that. Very proud of myself. And we had practice today, and then it's our last practice of the week tomorrow morning. And then we have like a game this weekend, but I'm exhausted, my body hurts, but almost through. And then beginning of next week, it's choreo. So I will see y'all tomorrow on our last day, on our last practice of the week. So good night.
Are at a basketball game.
Ooh, so exciting.
It's a Sunday, and we finished all our practices for the week, and we are now training the game, and that pretty much sums up the week. So I'll catch y'all next time.